Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai DashCam A800. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to charger. Firstly, let's take a look at the left side of the camera. From this position it's the right side. Right here we've got the micro USB port. This long cable is included with the camera. So basically you have to connect this micro USB cable right here. And now this USB cable to power adapter. Unfortunately, in the studio I don't have the power outlet suitable for this adapter, so I will connect it with classic charger. And now it's connected. When the camera is connected, we have to take out this foil that is protecting the screen. And now let's perform the first setup. Firstly, let's select language. You move by pressing these two buttons, and you accept by pressing this one button. Go next. Now we've got the short tutorial about indicator light. The green light means it's recording, blue it means that it's not recording, and the red it means that there has been some error. Let's go further. Now we've got the tutorial about power button. When the camera is powered on, press power button, this one, to turn screen on or off, and press and hold to turn the whole camera off. When the camera is off, press and hold this button to turn camera on. Now let's select date and time. Then download app.
Please insert SD card.
Let me insert the SD card.
Please format SD card.
Now let's format it.
Formatting succeeded.
Take note that when you format the card, all the data inside of it will be removed. And let's take a look at the camera preview. So firstly we've got this 4K video, and as you can see it's already recording. Then we can mute the
Audio recording is on.
we can mute and unmute the microphone.
Audio recording is off. Start recording emergency video.
We can start recording emergency video, which lasts around 10 seconds, 15 seconds.
Recording complete.
Then we can go to our recordings. While we go to recordings and gallery, the recording will stop. Now we can check our normal recordings, emergency recordings, parking surveillance, and time-lapse photography. Also you can check photos. In settings, we can go to video settings, system settings. We can format SD card and perform factory reset. Next we can go to download app, and now we've got this QR code to download app. We can perform system update and check about. And that's basically it about the camera. Let's turn it off. And if you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.